for dead man's eyes. Never let my pockets weep, and I'm sorry you had to know me when I'm so fit to be tied. I'm such a man.